guys, welcome back to All Things Nawni, where I create videos about the things that I enjoy, lifestyle, luxury, and travel. Today I have an unboxing. I wanted to show you guys the last piece that I bought while we were on our trip a couple weeks ago. So I've already shown you the jewelry pieces that I bought, and today I want to show you a handbag. And as you can see in the title, it is a Saint Laurent handbag. So I don't have any Saint Laurent bags in my collection, so I'm really excited to show you what I got, and then I'll talk you through how I came about getting this piece. So let's get into it. Here we have this massive bag, which is really cute. I love that even though I was traveling, they still gave me the bag and all of that. I keep the bags for some reason. I like having the bags. Not everyone does. Some people toss the boxes in the bags. I like to keep them. I think it's like a nice display. But let's see what we have in here. So I've got, I think this is probably the receipt. I don't even know. This is the receipt for what I paid. So as I've talked about in my previous videos, do your research when you're going to Europe. I definitely saved on this bag. So we've got this huge box. The bow is on the back. It's a little damaged because I had to stuff it in my suitcase, but here we go. Take off the ribbon. It's kind of awkward doing this. I'm not good at this. All right. I love this black tissue paper. So it's upside down. All right, that's a little bit better. Got a trusty desk bag. That's really nice. And can you guess which bag I got? Oh my gosh. I forgot what it even looked like, and I am still impressed with it. Let's get into the details. So this is the Lulu bag in the medium size. It's the quilted leather with the gold hardware. The color to me is a hunter green, but for Saint Laurent, they call it a vert foncé. I don't know if that's French. Are they Italian? I don't even know, but a vert foncé is what they're calling this color. I just adore it. I don't have any bags this color in my collection, so that was one of the reasons why I wanted it. It just stood out to me. Lulu has been around for such a long time. It's one of their signature bags. And to be honest, I've ordered 2 bags, I believe, from Saint Laurent online. And every time that I got them, I didn't like it. So I've ordered the toy Lulu, I believe, and it was black. I got it. The quality didn't feel good to me, so I returned that. And then I also bought a Nikki bag, and then when I got it, I just didn't feel right about it, so I returned that as well. I think I also bought a camera bag from Nordstrom and was disappointed in that. Honestly, I had no plans of ever buying a Saint Laurent bag. How I ended up at Saint Laurent was that I stood in line at Dior for what I felt like was a very long time. I wanted to get a Dior saddle bag. I was the first person in this line, and I want to say after about 45 minutes and them letting in someone that has showed up who had an appointment, which I get, but it was just like, why am I standing in line for so long to come and give you my money? Like, I just felt stupid. I don't know if anybody else feels like that about waiting in line for things, but literally YSL was right next to Dior, and I was like, let's just go and see what they have. Ended up getting this bag. Forget how it opens. Is this like a oh yeah, it's just a snap, so it's open. It's really big. Like when I was looking at it in the store, my husband was just like, that bag is huge. But I feel like all of my bags are like around the same size. I go for bags that are more smaller, like as you can see the 2 behind me. I feel like most of my bags are around that size. The only big bag that I have is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, which I'm honestly getting tired of carrying. So I was like, let me go for something big. Here's the inside. It's got like these 2 nice deep places where you can store your items, and then in between that is a zipper where you can also put things in. There's also a zipper in the back for you to put things in. So it's like so much storage and space. I wanted to do this unboxing because I want to carry this bag. I love it. Alrighty, so here we are without the paper on it. So it's got these two, I'm noticing, which I didn't notice in the store, these two leather shoulder straps with the gold chain. One thing that I am realizing that I wish it had a back pocket. Obviously, this is the signature Y. I feel like I can fit a ton in here. I feel like this would just fit so much. Like everything that I need is gonna fit in here. It's beautiful. I do love this color. So when I was in the store, I was looking at a bag that was in like a lighter green, so it was a sage color, which the gentleman said was seasonal. I really was attracted to the greens for some reason. They didn't have the sage in this bigger size. They only had it in the toy Lulu, and I didn't want the toy. It was just way too small for me, so that's how I ended up here. But I feel like this can be worn year round, because at first I was kind of like, is it giving me Christmas? But I feel like this can be worn year round. He did tell me, which I don't know if this was a sales tactic, but it always works on me. So he said that this was a limited, I can't remember if he said this color for sure was limited. And so I was like, ooh, okay, like, you know, I want something that's limited. And so that also made me want to buy it. But I'm wondering now if he just told me that, because I went on the website and it's available online. They have so many colors online. They didn't have all of those options in the store. So I wonder if I had seen those other colors, would I have chosen something different? I'm still happy with this. Like, I think it's beautiful, and I feel like I could wear it with pretty much anything. But I don't like having like selective information, especially I wasn't expecting to buy a Saint Laurent bag, so I hadn't done any like real research on it. Whereas like the other pieces that I bought, like the bracelets, I had done my research, so I knew exactly what I wanted. This was a spur of the moment purchase, and so I am a little bit annoyed that he told me it was a limited color or like not sold everywhere. And then I come back home and I look it up online and it's available online. But it's fine, it's whatever. That's not the reason that I bought it, but it was a selling point for me. But whatever, guys, it's fine. Anyway, they have the toy Lulu. I believe they have a small. This is the medium. And then there's even a large. So I can't even imagine, like I've seen some people's YouTube videos with the large. It's huge. I could not have gone bigger than this. I would love to hear from other people who have this bag, what your thoughts are on it, if you love it, if you've been enjoying it, if you don't like it. I'm hoping that this doesn't get like easily scratched or damaged or anything like that. Like none of the bags that I I've never damaged them, because I rotate my bags pretty heavily, and so they're all in like excellent condition. So I don't expect that, you know, anything would happen with this. Another thing to think about though, if you are considering buying this bag, it doesn't have any feet at the bottom. I like bags that have feet so that when you place it down, you're not placing the leather on, you know, a surface. But it is what it is. Not all bags have that. I'm obsessed with the size, to be honest, because I don't have anything this size. So I'm really happy with my decision to get the medium. I just know I'm gonna be able to fit so much, and I hopefully it doesn't feel heavy. I'll come back and do a review, you know, in 6 months or so, and let you know how like it's been carrying it and if it's been heavy and things like that. The store that we went to in Venice was actually like really small. We didn't know there was a bigger store that was sort of nearby. We go in the smaller store, so because of, you know, whatever restrictions they have around COVID, they can't have like, I guess, more than 1 or 2 people in the store shopping, because it was just such a small space. So we had the store to ourselves. The gentleman that helped was super nice. He was giving us information on, you know, the area, you know, let me see as many bags as I wanted, gave me time to make my decision, gave us champagne. Even, you know, he let me record a little bit in there, so that will be in my vlog. Whenever I get to editing that, I'm like really behind in editing my last 2 vlogs. It was a really good experience there as well. So just looking online, this bag comes in 15 colors. So you have your choice. I'll put a link in if you're, you know, interested in the dimensions and all of that. Take a look at that, see what the pricing is on your area. Here's what it looks like on my shoulder. I definitely feel like you have to line these straps up like perfectly. And also I didn't show you, this says Saint Laurent Paris as well. But here it is, really cute. And then I want to do it cross body. Here's what we're giving. I like it, even if I want to wear it more like to the front. And another detail that I didn't show you guys is that here it also says Saint Laurent Paris here on these, and then it also says it on the inside as well. So I thought that was a cute detail. It says it on the zippers that are inside, and then also on the magnetic button as well. All right, see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I appreciate your support, and I will see you guys next time.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit those bell notifications.